Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to increase your email deliverability in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. And next to your domain name, click on mailboxes. Now, if I click on connect domain, I will see that I have an issue with email deliverability or delivery rate. And what causes low deliverability rate is that some DNS records are missing or incorrect. What this means that you need to go to where you have your domain registered and add little bit of values like this or DNS records. They are called DNS records, and this and this job will increase your email deliverability. Are what is responsible of signing your email with a key which increases deliverability. Let's see how to do this. By the way, my domain is which is bentutorial.com is registered on Hostinger, but not on this account, on a different account, which is this one. So first go or log into where you have your domain registered. It may be Hostinger, Namecheap, GoDaddy. It's the same thing. For Hostinger, click on domains. Next to your domain name, click on manage. Now jump to DNS/name servers and scroll down to manage DNS records. And here you can see the available or the added DNS records. And to add new ones, it's simple. Copy the type, or just remember that this record or the first record type is CNAME. Select it here in this type list. This is CNAME. For the first value name, copy it like that to avoid errors. Delete this at and paste it like that. And for the value, copy it like that and paste it here. And for the TTL, 300. Let's write 300. Click on add record. As you see, DNS record created successfully. Repeat the same thing with the second value, CNAME. Add a CNAME record. For the name, delete, add and paste the first name. And for the value, paste it here in the target field. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger Horizons, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. For the TTL, it should be 300 and hit add record. DNS record created successfully. And now let's repeat the same thing with the third value, CNAME. The name is this name and the value should be pasted in this target field. For the TTL, 300. Click on add record. Now that all the three DNS records are created successfully, go back to the Hostinger email or this page and click on check status. And just like that, this status now switched to this green connected below increase email deliverability. As you see, click on increase email deliverability. The current records matches the expected records. And this is how to increase your email deliverability or delivery rate in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.